welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle with Glamour Has No Age. Today I'm going to do a quick mini review on the NARS Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette. This palette is currently sold out. I picked this up on the NARS website. I picked this up about 40% off for $39. It retails for about $59. Not everyone does a lot of NARS reviews. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna give you some swatches, and then I'm gonna do one look on each eye. I'm gonna go by the first row, this right here, a shimmer, a matte, another matte, this is not a shimmer, but it's more of a creamy matte. It's very creamy feeling to it. It's quite nice actually. And that's what the first row looks like. This is the second row. I'm gonna do, it's like a satin shimmer. It's pretty. It's kind of like a goldy color. Then a lilac, a matte, another matte, and then almost like a cream matte. Very nice. And it looks like that, the second row. Then the third row, it's creamy. It's like a, I can't explain it. It's a shimmer, but it's creamy. It's really nice. Next color, it's like a bronze. This has more of a sparkly glitter in it. Then a black, that's like a cream, and that looks like that. I'm gonna take my little Morphe brush right here. I'm gonna do this eye first. I'm gonna go into this purple right here and deepen up my outer corner. This is very blendable. And I'm going to take this little tapered brush right here, go into this matte right up above, and blend that out. Then I'm going to take this little shader brush right here. Go into this color right here, which is like an eggplant. And put that all over the lid. Next, I'm gonna go into this color right here and do my other eye. Take my shader brush right here, go into this pink color right here and blend that out. And I'm going to take my little shader brush right here and go into this creamy color right here and put that on the lid. Use a clean brush right here and just blend that out. Things I wish about the palette. I wish it had more mattes, is what I wish. More mattes, number one. I think the formula is fantastic from what I've tried of it so far. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. It is limited edition. The way I buy limited edition is I wait for it to go on sale. I don't like to pay full price for limited edition. And let me put on some mascara so we can get the full look. Sugar by Marc Jacobs. These are my two looks. I hope you like them. I'm trying to do something different in my formatting. It gets boring seeing the same thing. I know it's boring for me to do the same thing day after day. Well, anyways, I think this is a good palette. I'm glad I picked it up half off. You can still pick it up at half off at various retailers, Bloomingdale's, NARS, and I think this is a good palette to get. And I think the half off price is good compared to paying full price.